How to revoke microphone access from Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to disable microphone permissions for the Facebook app on your Android device. First, long press on the Facebook app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Info or I button to open App Info. Following that, tap on Permissions to view all app permissions. Now, you'll see a list of all permissions Facebook has access to. Look for microphone in the permissions list. Moving forward, tap on microphone to open microphone permission settings. You'll see different permission options displayed. Afterwards, select Don't Allow or Deny to revoke microphone access. Facebook will no longer be able to access your microphone. This means you won't be able to record voice messages or use voice features in the app. If you ever need to re-enable it, just come back to the setting and select Allow. Your microphone access has now been successfully revoked from Facebook. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you revoke microphone access from Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook privacy tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.